So we've got this face here. Let's just zoom closer. Whoops, sorry, zoom. Okay, so now we can see any imperfections on her face. I'm going to use this patch tool and circle what you don't, that you want to get rid of. So I see this here. So I'm going to circle this. And basically drag it to another area of skin that looks quite nice. So like here. Now that little mark on her face is now gone. She's got like a little spot down here. So I'm going to circle that too. Patch it over here. Now it's gone. And you can also do it on things like wrinkles. So she's got a little bit here. And then just pull it down. Gone. And you can just do it for the whole face and then she can look quite nice. Perfected skin.